Today's market watch has us up to 550 active residential listings on the market for sale. Having said this, one of the things that I will mention to you is this inventory has been very low lately. However, we are watching an increase. Less than 2.5, 3 weeks ago, we were barely breaching 500 units for sale. Now we're at 550. I would see that number continue to grow, but it's going to very much depend on that interest rate. Currently, interest rates have been reducing because there is rumor, of course, the Fed's going to be meeting this next week, the 17th and 18th. Of course, they have plans to reduce the Fed fund rate. That's what people have been talking about. The Fed fund rate is not the mortgage rate that you're thinking about when you're out there wanting to contemplate or wanting to buy residential real estate. However, usually a change in that rate usually has a change in the real estate mortgage rate. If that rate comes down, we should see a corresponding change to also the mortgage rate. Should